Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss few tips and tricks to score high in the IELTS listening test. First of all, let's quickly look at the format of the test. IELTS listening module is for 40 minutes. 30 minutes in which recording is played and another 10 minutes to transfer the answers to an answer sheet. The test is divided into 4 parts and the parts get more difficult as the test progresses. For example, part 1 is the easiest and part 4 is the toughest. Total number of questions are 40. Listening module is for both general and academic IELTS. Now let's quickly begin with the listening tips and tricks. First is, recording is played only once. You have to multitask, listen, read and write at the same time. Number 2, pay attention to the recording even if it is not related to the question asked in the paper. This will keep you on track. Number 3, in case you miss the recording, do not panic and just move on to another question. You can come back and guess the answer once the recording is finished. Tip number 4, transfer the answers using pencil to an answer sheet. It's easy to correct the mistakes if you use pencil. Tip number 5, be very careful with the word limit. For example, if the question says, write the answers in no more than 2 words and you are writing 3 to 4 words. In this case, even if the answer is correct, you will not get any marks. Tip number 6, focus on your spellings and grammatical mistakes. If the spellings are wrong, the answer is wrong. Same is with the grammatical mistakes. Tip number 7, when you are attempting multiple choice questions, cross out the options that are not related to the questions. It will be easy to find the correct answers. Tip number 8, there is no negative marking for wrong answers. Do not leave any space blank, make an educated guess. Tip number 9, while transferring the answers to an answer sheet, focus on spellings and grammar. This is the time when you have to correct everything and also guess the answers of the questions you have missed out. Sometimes even the guesses are right. Check for the silly mistakes, it costs many marks. Point number 10 is, practice a lot at home. This will improve your listening skills and you will be able to understand different types of accents. Tip number 11 is, many times when 2 people are talking, it's very common to change the answers. For example, the party is in Bear Creek Park at 5:30 p.m. Oh sorry, I just made a mistake reading the invitation card. The party is in Nicholson Park at 5:30 p.m. Now here, the speaker changed the answer. Earlier, the answer was Bear Creek Park, but the speaker made corrections and changed it to Nicholson Park. Tip number 12 is, be attentive and listen to the recording carefully. At the end of each part, you are given 30 seconds to check your answers and at the beginning of the next part, 30 seconds are given to read the questions. Here, use those 30 seconds given for checking the answers to read the questions of the next part. It means you have 1 minute to read the questions for the next part. The reason is recording is played only once and there is nothing you can do to correct the answers. It's better to utilize those 30 seconds for reading the questions of the next part. Tip number 13 is, handwriting should be very clear. If the examiner is not able to read what you have written, you will not get any marks. Let's come to the 14th tip. In the IELTS listening test, you are provided headphones. Check them thoroughly for the sound quality. A test recording is played multiple times so that you can check your headphones. So these were the top 14 tips you should remember when you're attempting IELTS listening test. So that's all about this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below and I will try to answer all the questions I can. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.